Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here with day 18 for the November Junk Journal Challenge. And today's prompt is odd playing cards. So we're going to look for the odd ones. 7 is 1. 5 is 1. Another 5. And we're going to turn them into journaling cards. Okay. 3, 5, 7, 9, 7. Oops. We're not going to do the king, queen, and jacks. So we put those to the side. I have a different idea for those. It's easier to do it this way. See how much faster? Okay. So we're going to take these and put these away. Okay. So we're going to put these back in the box. We're going to use these. Okay. And we can only use the scraps and stuff like that. So let's pull out some scraps. I think I might have some more lined paper, and I do. There's one. And then we can use some of this paper to do that. What other paper can we use? Not that. Okay, we can use a bit of cardstock. So we're going to start with that and go from there. So we're going to start the lined paper first. I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to take my card and we're going to do this. Just put, whoops, don't fall on the right side. And we're going to take this and we're going to put it right on here. Oops, I didn't hit the right spot. So I have to make sure I have it in the right spot, like right there. And then I'm going to take my bone folder on both sides and even it out. And I might have enough room for all my cards, so we'll see. Put that one right there. Oops, wrong side. Now, probably 6 cards and then we have to move to the next one. I'm going to take my bone folder in a minute and even all of them out. Okay, let's take the bone folder. I'm going to turn it over because I want the glue to be spread, like so. Okay, So we got that. I'm going to do the next two. And I see this one coming up over here. So I'm going to try and get some glue under right there. And there's some here that I can scrape off my finger and go along there. This one has some space right here. And try not to make no space. Okay, so I'm going to take my bone folder, push all the glue out. Even, oh, that one ripped. Sorry about that. Someone was at the door. And apparently my dog still hears them. And we're going to put our last one here. We're going to smooth it out on the back first. Now on the front, this one I have to redo. So I don't want to push my thing too much. So now I'm going to take my scissors wherever I put them. Actually, let me use my finger blade. Like so. So I can get up closer with my finger blade and it's quicker. We got this one done. We're going to go in and trim a little wherever I see marks. This one I have to add more glue because I see it popping up. And let it dry a little bit. So that one is not going to be done yet. So I'm going to go in with the next one with my scissors. I'm going to cut them all apart with my scissors, then go in and even them out with my blade. So that one's got to dry. So we're going to get these and get these done. Okay. So I just do them all with my scissors. Like so. Make sure you round your corners. That one. So these are almost ready to go. The other one needs to still dry, but that's all right. We're going to clear this area here. And then we're going to cover the back. So I'm going to get me some scrap paper. Big enough to do those. And that's it. There we go. Now do I want this side or do I want this side? So we're going to flip this over right here, and we're going to glue them this side up, like so. Let me trim a little bit more off of this one. And I'm going to turn it like that. But I want all the big spots, so if they have the big space, to be up. So let's glue these down. Make sure I get my edges so it doesn't come up like on the paper. And just like that. Now we're gonna just rub it with the bone folder. You know what? I'm gonna get my brayer. Okay. Okay. Got the brayer. Get all the air bubbles and stuff out. Now the brayer part is not my idea. I was watching My Crafty Boutique, Louisa, and she did this with the brayer to get all the air bubbles and stuff out. Okay, this one I want the top here. I'll put a little bit more right here. Put this one at the top, like so. With the brayer, roll right over it. I'm just cleaning my brayer, guys. Okay. Next card. I want to make sure I get my edges too. Okay, we got that. One more. I'm not pressing hard because I don't want nothing sliding around. I'm just barely, you know, pulling it in. Now, let's clear this. Like so. And we're going to start trimming these out. Move this into its little cubby. I'm going to save that. There. That's one. There's two. And this is the last one. Okay, let's clean this up. Now we can still make more journaling cards out of these. Let me close up my blade. But we'll see. Okay, so that is that. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe by hitting the big red button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. Please be kind, be blessed, be caring, be crafty, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.